Okay, so this is problem 54 in your notes that you're doing. And so we changed the percentages to grams, and then we just have to figure out the number of grams that we would have in each one. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do real quick here so that we got it. So then the 14.52 divided by 12.01 gives an answer of 1.21 moles of carbon. 1.83 divided by 1.01 gives me 1.81 moles of hydrogen. Third one, chlorine, 64.3 divided by 35.45 gives me 1.81 of chlorine. And then if I take 19.35 divided by 16, I get 1.21. So remember, empirical formulas, we have to take the smallest number. In this case, we have two of them. So 1.21 divided into itself, 1.21 divided into chlorine, 1.21 divided into hydrogen, and 1.21 divided into carbon. Gives us one carbon, gives us 1.5 hydrogen, gives us 1.5 chlorine, and gives us 1 oxygen. So you can see it's 1 to 1.5 to 1.5 to 1, which if you realize that's the same as a 2 to 3 to 3 to 2 ratio. So we multiply each one by 2, and we get 2 oxygens, 3 chlorines, 3 hydrogens, and 2 carbons. So our empirical formula we would have is C2H3Cl3O2.
All day.
I got to finish up a video, so real quick. So, guys. All right. So we got molecular mass of 165. So I've got to figure out the empirical mass. So I got 2 carbons, and I got 3 hydrogens. I got 3 chlorines, and I got 2 oxygens. So that'd be times 12, 24.02. Finding the empirical mass, 3.03. Chlorine's 35.45. Okay, and so that would be, I think it's 106.35. And then oxygen is 16, which would be 32. Okay, so then we'll add those all up. After we add them all up, okay, we get 165.4. So you take the molecular mass divided by the empirical mass, it's the same. So it's 1. So on that one, your empirical formula is the same as your molecular formula. And that's how you would do question 54 or 56.